This is my bike check. GT frame with a shitload of stickers. First frame, don't make fun of me. Volume alpha bars, stickers right there. 8.3 eyes with, I don't know, up sweep is like 1, some shit like that. ODI long neck bar, and same as grips, ODI long neck, yeah, shit. Don't know what I'm saying anymore. Stock fork, stock headset. G Sport MK3 hub guard, don't have my pegs on, obviously. Good hub guard. Cinema. Yeah. 333 in black, obviously. Odyssey Aiken. Grippy tire, like it. And over here, some kind of fun brackets. Odyssey $1 Million chain wheel with the bash guard. Stolen Mob cranks. Stolen Thermalite pedals. They're good at first, but they suck after. Get a new one soon. Cam C. Bush link chain, some shit like that, I don't know. Pink seat clamp, Power D seat post, Shao Conspiracy, Stitch, Crow seat, fat, nice seat, comfy. Animal ASM back tire, Exposure liquor. Now, before you rank on Exposure, really good hub for like $90, so yeah, it's my bike.